Hello guys, how to fix Windows 11 update error code 0x80040154 in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Such type of error code appear when you try to update Windows latest update, and to fix this issue the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. Here go to system from the left side, and from the right side click on troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters and run the Windows Update troubleshooters. This is the first workaround. Windows Update troubleshooter will detecting problems and checking problems, and it will take some time. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. It will initializing the diagnostic and look for any Windows Update error, reason for Windows Update error code, and fix them accordingly. So wait for some time till completion of troubleshooting process. Here problem found, check for Windows error in your system also appear and it will fix them. If your problem is still and from Windows Update troubleshooters, then go to the next fixes, and the next one is open File Explorer, press Win plus E shortcut key, go to C drive, and here look for software distribution folder. Software distribution, open this folder. Here open data store and try to delete all these log files and other. It may be not deleted easily, so if some other files and folders available under data store, delete it. And after that check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Manually download and install Windows Update. To do so, launch your browser, preferably Google Chrome browser, and here type Microsoft Update Catalog. Type Microsoft Update Catalog and press enter. Choose first result, Microsoft Update Catalog, and here in this window under search field type your Windows Update KV number and search, and manually download and install Windows latest update in your system. If none of the above workarounds work, then manually download and install Windows Update and your error will definitely